Suppose 3 marbles are drawn from a bag that containing 3 yellow and 4 white marbles. Construct the probability distribution and draw a histogram for the number of yellow marbles in the sample, then find the expected number of yellow marbles. Okay, so we have a bag, and we're drawing 3 marbles, and there are 3 marbles. 3 yellow marbles, that is. We're counting the number of yellow marbles, right? Yes, we're counting the expected number of yellow marbles. So I'm first setting up my my random variable. X is going to represent the number of yellow marbles that I draw. So as far as setting up my my probability distribution, I'm going to look through all the different numbers of yellow marbles that I could draw. I could draw 0, 1, 2, or 3 yellow marbles. And to figure out these probabilities, I'm going to go through that same, think through, okay, is this a binomial? No, it's not binomial. If I draw a yellow marble on the first one, it changes the probability I'm going to draw a yellow marble on the second one. All right, is this with or without replacement? It looks like this is without replacement because you're just drawing the marbles. And does order matter? I'd say order does not matter here. We're just counting the number of yellow marbles that we get. So this means we're dealing with a combination. So all the probabilities here are going to be combinations. First off, we have, the counting problems are going to be combinations to get the probabilities. So first off, if we're drawing 0 yellow marbles, that means from the 3 yellow marbles we're drawing 0. From the 4 non-yellow marbles we're drawing 3. This is going to be divided by 7, choose 3. That's the denominator for each of these. I'm just going to go ahead and figure out what that number is right now, actually. 7 NCR3 is 35. So let's see, this one would be 1 times 4. This is 4 out of 35. For the probability of getting 1 marble, this is 3 choose 1 times 4 choose 2 over that 35. So this is going to be 3 times 6. So 18 out of 35. Alright, here we have 3 choose 2 because we're drawing 2 yellow marbles. And that means from the non-yellow marbles we're drawing 1. So 3 times 4 is 12 out of 35. And lastly, 3 choose 3, 4 choose 0 out of 35. This is going to be 1 out of 35. You could quickly verify that everything adds up to 1. Those two sum up to 30, those two sum up to 5, so I do have a total of 35 out of 35. Just a quick way to do a little bit of a sanity check to make sure my probability distribution does cover all of the probabilities and that they sum to 1. Alright, what was the next part? We wanted to find the probability distribution. We want to draw a histogram here. So let's draw the histogram. Let's see. The highest value is 18 out of 35. So let's go steps of 3. So 3, 6, 9. Yeah, that's a little high. 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay. And 0, 1, 2, 3. So first off, we have 4 out of 35. These are all out of 35. Maybe I should just erase those so it's not too cluttered. 18 out of 35. Okay. So 4 out of 35 looks about like this. It's a third of the way up to between those. That looks almost halfway, but it's close enough. 18 out of 35 jumps way up here. 12 out of 35 is right here. And 1 out of 35 is back down, way down there. So that's what my histogram looks like. And find the expected number of yellow marbles. Well, just kind of looking at this, I would expect, if you think about the whole center of gravity thing, where it would balance, I would expect it to balance roughly there. So I'm going to predict, maybe I should say, that my expected value is going to be closer to 1 than it is to 2. So it's going to be like 1.4 or 1.3 probably. But let's actually figure it out. Let's compute it. E of x is going to be 0 times the probability of 0, plus 1 times the probability of 1, plus 2 probability of 2, plus 3 probability 3. Alright, so that's part 0. We get 18. This is all out of 35. 18 plus, let's see, 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 1 is 3. 18 plus 24 plus 3 is 45 out of 35, which gives us 1.2857. And that is about like I was expecting. I was expecting it to be around 1.3 or 1.4. It looks like my prediction was a little bit high, but I'm certainly happy about that answer there.